So in this video I will discuss about how to draw the isometric view of the frustum of a square pyramid. Base size 40 mm, top edge is 20 mm, height is 50 mm. So as usual I will be drawing first the XY line, reference line, draw any horizontal line. Then you need to take any point on this line. Then you need to draw two 30-degree lines both sides of this as usual. I'm drawing on both sides. Okay, now you take 40 mm distance. I will be using this compass. Okay, and you can mark it here, both sides of this. Okay, simply you can take it from here as well. Then you can join this. Now you can join this continuous thin lines. Now you can find out the center of this. Now height of the frustum is 50 mm. I will be measuring. I first draw the chain line through this central point. Okay, I will be measuring 50 mm from here. So it is 50 mm. And just extend this chain line. Yes, 50 mm is here. I have measured it. Okay. Now you can draw a horizontal line through this. Now upper edge is 20 mm, so you can take 10 mm above of this line and below of this line. Okay, so I am taking 10 mm above and 10 mm below. Now upper edge is 20 mm, so you can measure it 20 mm from here. And then you can mark it from both sides of this. Now you simply join these these 4 points. Okay, with continuous thick nose, because it will be these points, these edges will be visible. Yes, all these points. Yes, now you can join this upper square with upper rhombus with the lower rhombus. So this will be the frustum. So this will coincide with this chain line, this edge. So it will be merging, and this right side edge as well. You need to draw. Now whatever is visible, you have to make it thick. So I will be making these edges thick. Inside edges will not be visible, so I will have to erase that. Now I will be erasing this. Now this is complete. Now I will be doing the dimensioning only. So this is the isometric view of the frustum of the square pyramid. So I have done the dimensioning as well. So I hope you got it. This square pyramid, isometric view of a frustum of the square pyramid. Thank you very much.